manipulation. So, hey guys, what's up? Brandon here, Ikata Trading. The time is 7:56 p.m. on a Sunday, the 3rd of December. And as we would have discussed in my last video, I will link it in the idea. As we would have discussed, a law that I've created for myself many, many years ago, and I still use to this day, has actually again played out exactly as I would have thought it would. And I'll repeat the law out loud for you, and I want you to take into consideration what it means and the power of it. The law goes as follows: never go against the momentum unless a reversal is clear. I created this, I have been saying this for years, and it's something that has served me for years. Now, again, still haven't had the opportunity to take a trade on this pair, gold, but again, the beautiful thing about this law is it affords me multiple opportunities when momentum is clear. Now, I want to discuss on the monthly time frame why I thought that this could occur. And again, I'm gonna link to this in the last video, in the video, right? I'm gonna link the last video to this. I said that selling here is extremely dangerous. By no means did I say to buy, but I said that sells at this level is extremely dangerous, but it's also very, very warranted, right? Look, we have people saying things like their accounts are being wiped out, right? Because they are trying to sell, they're trying to buy. People don't understand that times like this are dangerous times to trade in, not just from the perspective of buys or sells, but from the perspective of trading in general, because people don't understand that it's not about the pattern. This is not about the pattern, people, right? I don't know when traders will stop and understand. Or if you scroll through these minds, most people will try to tell you, well, buy now and sell now and do this and do that and do this and do that. But most people are only really talking about the pattern. Some, very few people are talking about manipulation, but they're very few, they're far and few between. These are the people I think are right, the manipulation and understanding what it really means. What is the manipulation? But I'll tell you this: the pattern will only get you so far. It is understanding what happens beneath the pattern, underneath the pattern, is what's actually going to get you to where you need to be. Because by understanding what's underneath the pattern, you understand that it is induction, it is manipulation. We need to question. Sellers were interested at the high. Again, I am saying this again. I'm linking the very idea that I said, the last idea that I created. I am linking this. There were traders interested in sells, had sells with take profits all the way back to 1900, which is insane if you ask me, especially given that it's such a bullish market. But I digress. My biggest thing, people, is the fact that if we knew that sellers were interested at this level, the dealer would have given traders sells four times, four separate opportunities over the last 3 years to sell and get a really good sell. You think you're going to do it a fourth time? You think that makes sense to the dealer? It doesn't. The reality is, in my opinion, once we know that the market is going in one direction, it is wise and it makes more sense to me. Just by aligning myself with what the dealer is likely to do, it makes more sense to me to align yourself with that exact view. The market going up, it makes sense to go up as well. Obviously, you still have to find the right entry and all of that, but you see, by doing that, you're getting rid of 50% of the problem. You don't have to focus on figuring out the direction anymore. You know that it's a bull market, so you know that buys make more sense. You understand? And this is something that has served me for years. So what I will be doing in the coming days or so, and I'll be more active on Google. I mean, I'm usually quite active on Google, but I'll be more active on Google in the coming days, looking for opportunities to buy if the dealer does not try to come back down and take out late buyers on this same line here. So we'll be definitely monitoring that. But I digress. I will also say that trying to trade at this exact point in time in the day and in the times that we're in is also extremely dangerous. In a post I had earlier, right? I posted this a little earlier. Let me see if I can find it. I also spoke about momentum, not momentum, sorry. I spoke about manipulation via the broker, and that's this, via the broker and via your trader, right? As we spoke about it here, we said that one thing I definitely tell you, trying to trade now is extremely dangerous, as we know that gold is being actively manipulated. You don't believe me? Open a trading platform. I said NT was empty. MT4, MT5, C Trade, etc. Whatever is your trading platform, and watch gold on the 1 minute time frame. Watch how the candles behave. Watch how the spread is being widened and closing. And you know something? On Tradingview, it looks pretty straightforward, pretty normal. Open your IC Markets broker. Open your different brokers and tell me if gold looks exactly like this. You want to actually see something interesting? When you go to your watch list, select a different gold. When you click on watch list, type in gold and select a different gold. All right, let's look at maybe capital.com. Let's look at velocity. All right, let's see if that changes. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, that is interesting. Look at the difference here. Just in different brokers, you can see just how deadly broker manipulation is. I don't think we realize how dangerous this is, because we have two vastly different. Both of them are gold. These are both gold, right? Let's actually do this one more time. Let's type in XAU USD, right? And let's look at a weird broker. Let's use 8 cap. I don't know if anybody uses this broker, right? Or let you know what? Let's use ICE. I don't know what broker that is, but let's see if that changes at all. All right, let's see. So it's a slightly different, but it's not that much different. But you could see the definite manipulation there with that candle. Let's do it one more time. One more time, right? XAU USD, and let's look at City Index, as that should be interesting. City Index. You have gaps here now. So you have evidence of the brokers manipulating the data. You think it makes sense, if that is the case, to try to trade this market right now, when not just the dealer is manipulating and inducing the market, but also when the brokers are manipulating the market? You think it makes sense? Like this guy trying to short gold here, shorting to the mid range. This is dangerous, regardless of what these three candles are saying. It is extremely dangerous. He says, do your own research. At least that's what I believe DYOR means. But I'm telling you, the fact that you are even interested in this guy praises 700 suggests that you don't understand manipulation. Don't get me wrong, if it works for you, it works for you. I digress. Kudos to you. Congratulations, and I hope that you win. But again, people, the market is manipulated heavily right now. This is not a safe time to trade. Extremely dangerous to trade right now. Sit on your hands, there'll be other setups. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you agree with my sentiment. I will, like I said, I will be linking my past analysis in this video, and let me know if you agree with what I said. And definitely follow if it is you want to see more analysis like this. I do very in-depth analysis on multiple pairs, but I like gold a lot. um Boost the post if it is you liked it. And yeah, let's see how it goes.